Well, we just got a call to go to the top of Sleeper. And I don't know what it is. I don't know what's wrong. And they think they were at the top of Sleeper. But it might be the top of Digger. It might be... I don't know. We'll head out there and find out.
Well, we're off to another recovery. Something I think was sleepy. Anyways, we're there. We're on another shortcut. Aha! One of those knock-kneed Broncos.
Hey! Just hold on a minute. The tow truck would rather just back in, hook it, and pull it out. Try and get some of the skirts smoothed out.
Well, what caused all this excitement?
I broke it.
You broke it?
Doesn't stand up to what it's supposed to do.
Well, it's not a Jeep.
No. The Jeep couldn't get me out either.
Oh yeah, but we got this old 40-year-old wrecker out here that'll do it.
Yeah.
No, let's see if we can stay out of the grill here with this. Let's see if we can extend these one notch. They go a long ways. Right there.
Wait, I think I'm
Yep, you are.
It was a lot better than this.
Okay. I'm gonna pull ahead.
Ah, a little bit knock-kneed.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I just want to try and keep it off of that. Go ahead. Let it down a little bit.
How far under do you have to go to get the cross member?
Well, I want to be on the plate here, so I really need to move over just a little bit. So unhook it, let me move over again.
He's got to move it over a smidgen in order to get the right point, so he doesn't break any more of the plastic on the front than already is.
Yeah, new obstacle. You guys got a new one for the course. You just gotta get over it.
Yep.
Put that shirt back in there? Yeah. Well, I mean, there's a way to just get it out. It's up to them. I mean, I can pick it up and crunch everything, and you know what I mean?
Well, you talk to Tyler, not me. You're gonna need a bumper anyways. Yeah, like as long as you don't push it in the radiator.
No, it won't do that. Neutral.
Yeah, it's in neutral.
Okay. We'll get it out of here.
How are you feeling about things?
Fine. Just a part. Came to play. Do I just not hold the brake a little bit? Until it gets
No, let him do the work. Okay, put it in drive and just barely touch the accelerator. Okay, you're fine. Okay, put it in drive and just...
Yeah, just a little bit more drive.
Yeah, make your wheels drive a little bit.
Yep.
Go ahead and drive. Yep.
You're gonna climb over. Okay, now neutral.
Yeah. Lower it down a little bit. Lower it down a little bit. Ashley, your steering wheel isn't any good anymore. I made it out at least. Sorry, that was my fault. Yeah. You really got it.
We're good.
Okay, we got her out. and we're heading back to camp.
Gads, and somebody had to park right there. Good grief. It's nice they pushed that log back into place after I kind of moved it over. Yep, that Bronco is heavy. Makes it a little light on the front end, especially going uphill. Gal's got a good sense of humor about the whole deal. Have a little delay here because we've got the shortcut for the recovery crews go between different trails, whether it's the blue trail or the white trail, and so got trail riders going through and they have the right of way. Of course, we can hurry up and wait because we're in no hurry.
For none of us side by side up that's nosedived into it. Can't pick them up. Like, pull them out.
Are you the last one? Thank you.
Goodbye, Broadway.
Well, that wasn't too bad, but I forget how heavy these Broncos are now.
That's one.
What was that again?
My little one's in the back. He rocked him to sleep.
Well, that means you're a smooth driver there, Mr. Hutner.
I guess.
He did fabulous.
And you rode quite well.
Until I didn't.
Well, you didn't show it on the outside.
That's all right.
Well, that one was back to camp, and we haven't got any other calls right at the moment. And actually, all the tow trucks are up and running right now. So maybe we can take a little break. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.